Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a vegan cake. First, gather your plant-based ingredients. You'll need to understand how to substitute traditional dairy and eggs effectively. We'll cover combining wet and dry components, ensuring a perfect texture. Also, we'll explore the role of leavening agents like baking soda and powder to achieve a light, fluffy crumb. Let's get started on creating a delicious, compassionate dessert. For your vegan cake, select plant-based milk such as almond, soy, or oat milk, typically using 1 cup. To replace eggs, a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water works wonderfully. Alternatively, use 1/4 cup of applesauce or mashed banana. For fat, choose vegan butter or a neutral oil like canola, usually about 1/2 cup, ensuring a moist and rich cake. When mixing, always sift your dry ingredients first. This prevents lumps and ensures leavening agents are evenly distributed. Combine your wet ingredients separately. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to a tough cake. Bake your cake at a consistent temperature, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once your cake is baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before frosting. This prevents your delicious vegan buttercream made from plant-based butter, powdered sugar, and a splash of plant milk from melting. Apply a crumb coat first, then a final smooth layer. Finish your masterpiece with fresh berries, toasted nuts, or delicate edible flowers for an elegant and delightful presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.